Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're looking at Jelly Jelly Coin and what's next for its price. This is a follow-up to my earlier prediction, where I mentioned a potential 400% move. While it didn't happen overnight, we did see a strong pump before the price started correcting. Now, let's analyze what could be next. Right now, Jelly Jelly Coin has a market cap of $13 million and a trading volume of $41 million, meaning its volume to market cap ratio is over 200%. This suggests strong accumulation and potential for another breakout. The price recently hit 0.012781, a critical support level, and is now forming a potential bounce setup. If we move up from here, the next target is 0.018, which would be a 55% gain. In a bearish market, highly volatile coins like this can still provide trading opportunities. This movement is similar to Mavia Coin, which had a low market cap and similar pump and dump behavior. If Jelly Jelly follows the same path, we could see a strong recovery from this support zone. The next resistance levels are 15 cents and 17 cents. If we clear these zones, the market cap could realistically hit $130 million, which is a 10x potential from the current level. Right now, selling pressure is decreasing and volume is at its lowest, which could indicate a bottom. A daily candle close above support is crucial for a bounce. If the price holds, we could see an upside move toward 13 cents, 15 cents, and possibly 17 cents. If you're holding Jelly Jelly Coin, DCA, dollar cost averaging, could be a solid strategy for the upside move. But remember, this is a highly volatile coin, so manage your risk accordingly. What are your thoughts on Jelly Jelly? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates.